The project is about Newcastle. It's physically a wall of sound around Newcastle along the medieval walls. They used to use sound more often in the city to mark things, whether it's time or an event or a warning or for whatever reason, but mostly it was about time, it was marking time. It was important for the whistle to be the right whistle. So it had to be a whistle that was used on engines that went to Newcastle station. The only way to build that whistle is exactly the same way as you would have made it in the 20s and 30s. I then went to the archive at the National Railway Museum and I found a drawing that was drawn at Stevenson Works here in Newcastle for engines built in Darlington, which is where the whistle was made. And so it was important that that stuff was right. An intentional part of the project was to link this 19th century technology with 21st century stuff. That's kind of a nice fusion. It was important to make the piece a moment in time as well, as it is about marking time, and it was important that it marked where we are now, and it wasn't just 19th century technology. You had to have where we are now. I think the piece is more about the way that the sound is travelling through the city and describing the city and the history, but also the future of using the technology. Everybody can make their own connection in whatever way they want. Everybody can hear it. Everybody hears it the same because everybody's experiencing it in the same regardless of where you come from and how old you are. So it'll mean something to different people in a different way.